Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, R.M.C.O just filed a current report and I'm seeing one bit of news that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing is about their annual shareholder meeting and it confirms a key decision for their accounting. Alright, let's dive into this. Royalty Management Holding Corporation. The company behind the ticker RMCO has put out a Form 8K. This is a report filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, for certain major events that happen in a company's life. The big event here was their annual meeting of shareholders, which took place on the 30th of June 2026. This is where shareholders get to vote on important company matters and discuss things with the management. The report tells us what was voted on and how the votes turned out. The main proposal on the table was to pick an independent accounting firm. This is super important because it means that a separate company will check the books and make sure everything is reported accurately. It's like an official stamp of approval. The company proposed CM3 advisory for the job for the fiscal year ending the 31st of December 2026. And the shareholders absolutely agreed. They voted a massive 12,308,780 votes in favor of appointing CM3 advisory. There were hardly any votes against, just 4,312, and no abstentions. This shows a really strong consensus among the shareholders for this choice. When a company's auditor is overwhelmingly approved, it suggests confidence in the process and the firm chosen to oversee financial reporting. The report is signed by Thomas R.M.C.O, the Chief Executive Officer, on the 1st of July 2026, the day after the meeting. This is standard practice to confirm the filing on behalf of the company. Now, looking at this filing, it is pretty straightforward. It is an 8K focused on a shareholder meeting resolution. What is interesting here is the overwhelming support for the selected accounting firm. While this isn't a deep dive into financial performance like a 10Q or 10K, it does signal stability in their governance and financial oversight. For a company like Royalty Management Holding Corporation, establishing trust and transparency with its shareholders is crucial. The strong vote of confidence reinforces the idea that the company is operating with sound financial practices. We also see from the research context that they recently reported an increase in revenues, interest income, and investment income of 431% for 2025. This positive financial news, coupled with a smooth shareholder meeting approving their auditor, suggests a company that is moving forward with a clear and supported direction. The significant support for the accounting firm is a good sign, showing that the owners of the company, the shareholders, are aligned on how the company's finances will be audited. This kind of agreement is often a precursor to more detailed financial reports. Given the context of their recent impressive revenue growth, this news about auditor selection adds another layer of confidence. It appears the company is taking care of both its operational growth and its commitment to proper financial reporting and accountability. It's a steady step forward, confirming the infrastructure that supports their business operations. My biggest concern would be ensuring this positive momentum continues and that future financial reports reflect sustained growth and sound management. What I am actually looking for is how this auditor selection influences their upcoming financial reports, and if they continue this impressive growth trajectory. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.